Hi, my name is Chloe and this is Gabby, and today we're going to be telling you about the muscles in the lower leg, which include the tibialis anterior, the gastrocnemius, and the soleus.
The tibialis anterior is the muscle located just beside the bone, better known as your shin, which originates in your lateral tibia and inserts in the first metatarsal and the proximal tarsal. The most well-known and most used movement of the tibialis anterior is dorsiflexion. During dorsiflexion of the foot, its antagonist is the gastrocnemius. An exercise that uses this muscle is dorsiflexion with a resistance band, which Gabby will now demonstrate by dorsiflexing her metatarsals when she pulls the band closer to her, exhibiting plantar flexion as she points her foot towards the ground. Dorsiflexion is the act of pointing the foot upwards, and plantar flexion is the opposite. The gastrocnemius is located with the soleus in the posterior section of the most distal part of the lower appendages. The lateral head originates in the lateral side of the femur, and the medial head originates in the medial part of the femur. It inserts on the posterior calcaneus. Its prime movement is plantar flexion. During dorsiflexion, this muscle is the antagonist of the tibialis anterior. The exercise that will stretch the gastrocnemius is calf raises. It is performed by plantar flexing the foot while standing on an elevated surface. I'll let Gabby demonstrate for us. Plantar flexion is performed by pointing the foot downwards.
This is Gabby's gastrocnemius while it is relaxed, and this is it when it is flexed.
The soleus is part of the posterior extrinsic foot muscles. The soleus is closely connected to the gastrocnemius. The soleus originates at the fibula and the medial border of the tibia. The soleus inserts at the calcaneus. The prime movement of the soleus is plantar flexion of the foot with a bent knee. To stretch this muscle, you can use a leg press machine or do a calf stretch with a bent knee. Gabby is now performing this stretch.
This concludes our video on the muscles of the lower leg. I hope you enjoyed.